Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm doing a quick walkthrough video on this brand new 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. You'll see we have this one in the midnight blue packaged with the white diamond accenting. We have this with the black rail system, really sleek looking boat. This one comes with the fiberglass front. You have the accenting on the front that looks really good as well. Double bimini system opted for this one. Full coverage with shade throughout. Full lighting package on it. We have the Ion Tower, dual JL audio tower speakers. This boat's really loaded up. If we come around to the back, I'll show you what we got on it for horsepower. This one comes with the white cowling Mercury V10 400 horsepower. It's great for top end, but it's also great for just cocktail cruising, really quiet. Doesn't have to work quite as hard. You'll also notice this, we have our thrusters with the joystick package on this one. You got one in the front, one in the back. That way you can turn this thing on a dime for docking situations. It's really great. We'll hop up on into the boat and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. First thing I want to point out is the new upgraded lily pad ladder. It's got a nice cascading effect. You can let it down and get it up really easily. No more bending down and going shoulder deep into the water to try to get this thing up. You got this easy clip system. You're right back in business. Stepping on into the boat, you'll notice we have this one set up with the SLDH layout. It's one of the most sought after layouts in the industry. You have this massive lounger back here, tons of storage underneath all these cushions. You see extra subwoofer and stuff down there. This kicks back. Oops. This kicks back, so you have a nice lounging area here, facing aft. And then you can kick that all the way flat, make it into a full bed. And then these all kick up into their own individual positions. You can make them the same. It's customizable layout, which is really nice. People enjoy it. Hopping into the cockpit. You'll notice, like I mentioned, the dual helms. It's nice for partners. Both people are seating facing forward. Raised helm here. We have the upgraded dual SIMRAD displays. You put maps on one, your gauge clusters on the other. You have all your buttons over here for your tower, your lights, navigation lights, all the stuff that you want to get to quickly. Over here you have your JL audio stereo head. You do have electric throttle over here, and you also have your joystick conveniently placed. And then down to the right of the captain's chair, you have this nice glove box that's lockable. We got some stuff in there now, but you do have a wireless charger inside of there. Really comfortable captain's seat. Over on the passenger side, you'll notice you also have another wireless charger, some cup holders, and some storage space as well. This one we opted for the chase end table. Flips up, gives you an extra spot to put snacks and drinks. Stows right back away. And then moving on forward, we do have the in-floor storage, largest in the industry. Super convenient, just be able to deflate tubes, stuff them down in there, keep them out of the way. And then tons of seating throughout. You have dry storage underneath all your seats, flip down armrests with cup holders. And then this even comes with the ottoman. We opted for this. Extra storage or doubles as a cooler. So yeah, if you like this boat, we'd love to see you here, get you out on a demo. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you here.